Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Never hit a gym a day before a long ride. Utalia.
You suffer.
In Africa, oh, peace and love. In Africa, let there be peace and love. Nigeria.
Easy ride.
No. Easy ride is no one's life. Let's go.
Aki.
We're going to one group together.
Yeah.
Ladies.
Imagine.
What happened to us?
You have been dropped.
We've been dropped.
Oh God.
We're just grinding gears as we climb up.
Imagine. Look at the speeds. Yeah. This group ain't joke. But you have enjoyed it.
Pretty cool.
There they are. Utasema aje?
Taka petroli. Take me a diesel. Take diesel yangu sasa ni
Yeah, for the fuel.
Come on.
But we're finally in Gatundu. So we are waiting for others. Then now we head over. Slowly by slowly. I hope we'll keep up. I'm out of my refreshment. But it's been a good ride. So the next time you hear about NGR, you should turn out. Simba Ibo. It's one of the best rides. As long as you don't have sore legs like me, you'll keep up. Never hit a gym a day before a long ride. Utalia.
You suffer.
No matter religion or your culture, living a good life is a normal something. Woman, no cry no more. You're not alone, my sister. You're not alone, na na na.
You should always have a partner.
Just in case.
It's for the Catalan. Catalan are doing a good job.
Not sponsored, but it's an amazing product.
They need to sponsor me one day.
You're not alone, my brother. You're not alone, my sister. You're not alone, na na na. Ay, 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 ay. Struggle for the art is where the conflict starts. And when the sound blows, a message has been sent. Wipe their head from our hearts, sisters. Yeah. Everyone gonna do their part, my brothers. Yeah. Tell me where I need a visa when I wanna see my brother.
The waterfall is here around there. You can see the waterfall. So we are finally arrived to the zone where the water is running. The Gatundu Waterfalls. Looked tricky at first, but it's not that hard. That fine wine. Looks really beautiful. So we finally arrived. Let's see what the day will turn out to be. For damn hell, this water is huge. You need to see this in person. Or you need to be here actually right now.
Peace and love.
So guys, we are finally in Gatundu Waterfalls. We're actually enjoying the waters and it's fun. So the Nairobi group ride actually arranged for this ride and I happened to get it. So I joined them today. This is my first time in the Nairobi group ride. It was fun. Though my legs were sore for the workout, that's why the hills were crazy. But they were easy. If you had good legs, you are good with it. So the next time you hear about Nairobi group ride, actually I'll put the number in the description and also on the screen. Like I've never been to Gatundu Waterfalls and now I am here. Courtesy of Nairobi group ride. It is fun. I've enjoyed myself. My bike has performed well. Though at some point the pressure went down a bit, but it was fun. I had fun. My friends had fun. The whole group had fun.
You don't know, let there be peace and love in Africa. Oh, peace and love in Africa. Let there be peace and love, Nigeria. Oh, peace and love in why they be singing in the streets and dancing? Let there be jumping in your heels and clapping. Let other kids in the street be laughing. And everybody feel the joy of that morning. Anytime you go, you must come back. No matter religion or your culture, living a good life is a normal something. Woman, no cry no more.
Yeah,
Me, I'll be there for you.
you're not alone, my brother. You're not alone, my sister. You're not alone, na na na. Ay, 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 ay. Struggle for the art is where the conflict starts. And when the sound blows,